Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will teach you how you can easily learn English language. As we all think about it that English language is very difficult language, but you can learn easily English language with me. Yes, you can, but for this you have watched my full video, because in this video I will say something important to improve English speaking. To learn English, you have to think something in English, like what I am eating, and you can think what is my favorite TV show. To learn English speaking, you have to practice every day and everywhere. Like if you want to say something, so you can in English. Practice is most important thing, which you can easy everything. To learn English, you have try to talk with friends or family in English. It is very helpful to understand English language. If you want to learn English speaking, then you have to read sometime English books, but you have to read regularly. So friends, it is right. English is not easy, but if you keep practicing every day, then it can be easier. Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. My name is Sahid. I live a little village of Uttar Pradesh state. My district name is Ambedkar Nagar and my area code is 224139. I am a poor boy, but I really love to practice English speaking. That is why I just go outside in the morning and the evening to practice English speaking, because I know practice makes a man perfect. The more I will practice, the more I will be able to speak in English. That is why I think the best way, which is explaining the natural beauty. So according to me, if you want to learn English speaking, then you have to practice regularly. And if you do this, then your English will be improving like me. So in the end of this video, I just want to say that if you want to learn English speaking quickly, then you have to practice with me. And I promise you that I will teach you English speaking. But for this, you have to watch my videos every day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, then don't forget subscribe my channel for more videos.